Okay guys, take a look at this. I'm going to share with you guys how I made this pap with plantain and oats. So if you're interested on this video, watch to the end and also help me to share. Mothers with babies from 6 months to 1 year, this video is for you. So I am starting with unripe plantain. You can also use ripe plantain on this recipe, okay? So next, I'm just going to peel off the plantain and then I'm going to chop it into smaller sizes. I have done a lot of videos using plantain. How many have you done? Let me know in the comment section, okay? So once I'm done peeling off like this, I'm going to chop it into smaller sizes, just the way my blender can blend it very smooth. Now tell me where you're watching this video so that on my next video I'm going to send you a hug. Then I transfer it into the blender. I went in with 1 cup of oats and then I'm going to be adding milk on it. You can blend it with just water and then later on you go in with your peak milk or your dry milk. But I have fresh milk at home. I'm using fresh milk on it. And then I'm going to blend it very smooth. Make sure you blend it very smooth because you don't want to be eating unripe plantain in your akamu or your pap. So once I'm done blending it, next I'm going to transfer it into the pot. So feel free to go in with water if you think it is too thick. Today's special hug goes to Gabriel, watching me all the way from Sweden. Thank you so much, Gabriel, for watching my videos. I really appreciate. So I added a little water on it because I think it is too thick for me. And then on a low heat, I continue to stir it until it starts to form pap, as you can see on this video. So if you don't stir it continuously, it's going to get molds on it. So continue to stir it until your pap is ready. Mothers with babies from 6 months and above, you can feed your baby this. Babies that are learning how to eat solid can be served this. Not all the time you give them pap, you give them akamu custard. Spice their food a little bit. So I went in with water and I added sugar on it. So if you're feeding for baby, don't put sugar. Preferable, use ripe plantain so that you are going to skip sugar on it. Then you go in with your baby milk. You are good to go. Babies will really love it. So now tell me, after watching this video to this point, are you going to try this? Take a look at this. It really came out nice. Try it, you will definitely love it. You will not regret it at all. Instead of taking pap every day, if you are the type that love to take pap, try this one. You are going to love it as well. Once I'm done, I'm just going to transfer it into my bowl and then my pap is ready. Lastly, I'm going to go in with dry pig milk on top of it. I mix it up with a little bit of water and then that is it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. See you on my next one. Bye.